Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Foster's, or 6 miles south of Bossier City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Bossier City, Houghton, Sligo, Taylortown, Barksdale Air Force Base, Huron, and Flurbing. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: